Say what, man?
Hey,
I tell her free the back end child, but it ain't no cap in my game. I screen you in to the time to meet God. Got a cool emoji hand tatted on my vein. We snatching, don't want your fake chain. I'm a great, got me feeling like a dang. Ever since a nigga done got a little fame, can't count no more, get to a fake name. Who really remember that right there? Who really been down with your boy when I had like 5,000-10,000 subscribers, bro? Who really remember that guy? Hey man, GT fam, man. Welcome to a new video, man. So today, man, it's been a minute since y'all seen my boy Humble Fear. My boy hit me up and said, bro, I'm about to go pick up a new dirt bike. Let's make some content. So I'm like, you know me, I'm gonna hop out that bed and we're gonna go make that content for you guys. Make sure y'all stay tuned, man, cause I promise y'all that merch is here. That merch is here. That new ski mask, they here, baby. And I'm about to show y'all how they look, man. I haven't showed YouTube yet, but if y'all follow me on Instagram, they had got the first dibs. I want it to be more professional once I post it on my YouTube. My website is definitely being made right now, so y'all can be able to, just go in there and pick it out, whatever ski mask y'all want. Red, blue, green, and purple, the limited edition. 2023, man, I'm hitting 100K, bro. I'm reaching goals, man. I'm hitting goals. I'm setting goals for myself. Tag along with me in the journey. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, man. Turn the post notifications on, because I promise y'all we're going to be grinding, man. We're going to continue to go up, continue to go crazy, man, and do our thing.
Huh?
Why you gonna lowball that boy like that? No? You gonna low? You got to?
Got to. 16 pushing it.
How much you really want to give him?
1K. No cap.
Damn. Now come here.
Hold on.
Hold on. Oh, that bit a little hard, gang.
Hoagie.
Hey, that bit a little hard, cause you got a little head.
He's stupid.
Ooh. Hold up. Oh, you ain't crazy.
Hoagie?
No, oh God, it's not. Damn, for my little head, make people, man. Y'all boys don't look too fine that bit.
Y-O-U wet dash with the whole screaming. Then I bust, now your whole leaving. Thinking that you hot dog, really use a whole weenie. Young niggas, young and we turned, that's for no.
My little partner come out here, baby, watching your ass like.
Pull him up, tell him pull him up, man. Ooh, got the little 85. He been waiting to get another bite, man. He said he gonna keep this. We gonna see what he say. Hurry up, bro. How she looking?
You stupid,
Okay, new tire on the back of that guy. Oh yeah, good compression. Okay.
Yeah. What about the water pump? You know about when the last time the water pump was changed? But, nah. You had put the top end on this. It was just the top end was replaced? Yeah. Okay. She don't look too old though.
What year this one is? Oh, 06. Oh, big racket.
He's
your whole son gay.
I got nothing. I'm broke.
Good business. Ooh, first kicker. How the throttle feel? Not bad. I know for a fact Tony gonna get him an 85 after this.
Yeah, tell Tony to come on.
I know for a fact, man. You know he just picked up a KX250 too. Ooh, 18. 2018 with 60 hours on it.
Oh, that boy Tony went big.
Yeah. Got my boy Free out here copping a new bike, man. Whoa.
It ain't warm up.
Oh, bro. You trying to sell my boy a lemon, man? Oh. Okay, oh, whoa. Whoa, that bitch smacking. That boy back like he never left. That boy finna walk that bitch right. You having fun? Yeah.
That new tire, goddamn.
That bitch busting. You like it though?
Right though.
You like it? It look like it's smacking.
Yeah.
Lil Will? For a little guy, you feel me?
Yeah. I'm fucking with it. Sure.
Hey, you appreciate you, gang.
Yeah, for sure.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You take it easy, bro.
Yeah, the folks sleep on me, couldn't let them dream long. Like when your time coming, that's what I got my speed on. They doubted me and
bro, I can't even lie to that. Might have been the quickest transaction ever. I ain't never just pulled up. Usually when I pull up on people, I usually end up talking to them for forever, talking about life and stuff like that.
Y'all ain't had no chemistry. Y'all boy just pulled up, rolled the bike. All right, fuck with you. That's it. We made business and we out of this motherfucker. You feel me? But my boy got that new bike ski. You hear me? Back outside. That boy trying to go to that lot. That boy, he trying to the lot. That boy trying to go to the lot every weekend. Yeah.
The lot.
Are you in the street?
In the street.
Oh, ooh, in the street. And pushing. Do a little bit. Do a little bit. That thing nice, but I ain't never seen one up close. That little bit riding. That's killing the Hellcat for sure. You know Hellcats are my favorite cars, but that's killing the Hellcat. It's too light.
Yes.
Hold up. Hey, you gotta throw the ski on. You gotta throw the ski on one time with the bike, bro. Boy, powering up right now, man. You feel me? Ooh. Yes, sir. Ooh. Let me see. Ooh. Boy, going crazy.
One kick. Let's see.
Oh, man. She definitely one kid, though. Yeah, she one kid. Oh. Oh. It's that tire, man. Oh. One more time, look back. Look back one time. Ooh. Hey, for the 30, they be up on the website, man, for the 30 ski. Yes, sir. Joint really go crazy today. I rock with it. Hey, little doggy. Hey, little doggy. Hey. What, GT fam? You GT fam? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They want to be like me so bad. Niggas want rocking street tires till I got street tires, bro.
That is so cap.
How's that cap?
You're a cap.
How's that cap?
You're a cap, bro.
These not the deer rolls, my boy.
I kill no
These not the deer rolls.
These the right
Exactly.
ones
You
for
go.
my bike.
You went mine. Something else. You about to feel real traction now on that 700.
Been buying. No matter what's on. Hey, bro. Grab a wheel.
Boy, what? Only thing I grab is this camera, nigga. Stop talking to me like. Boy. I'm gonna f with you though, because you my partner, bro. You feel me? I'm gonna rock with you. I know. I wish my bike was still on this side of town, bro. Yes, sir. That boy put up on me the right way.
Yes,
you hear
sir.
me? Website gonna be up when this video go up, man. So I need y'all to go shop.
Go hang
Like
out
my
on the
boy.
ski man, man.
You wanna try one on?
Nah.
Nah.
You want me to?
Yeah. What you feeling like? The yo-yo with the what ski?
I'm gonna go with yo-yo with the yo.
Red, I already knew. I already
You know what
knew.
I'm saying? The
I already
left
knew.
home red.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
With it.
Hey, my versus just went up.
That's how I knew. That's how I knew. This how I knew if I knew this was gonna be official, man.
The versus just went up, man. You feel me? You know what
Ooh.
I'm saying?
Let me see.
You feel me?
You with it?
Man, come on, man. Hey, man.